In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a group chat here on Snapchat. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But obviously, first things first, go ahead and open up the Snapchat app for you. And at the bottom of your screen, you're going to want to go ahead and select the chat icon to bring up a page that looks something like this. And next, go ahead and tap the little chat icon in the bottom right to bring up a page that looks like this. From the menu up at the very top, you'll see an option to create a new group where you can go ahead and customize that group name. Up at the top, we'll just go ahead and say YouTube video. And then from here, you can go ahead and add those people to the group, whoever you would like. For example, I'll just add these two right here. And then once you do add at least two people, go ahead and select chat with group, and it's going to immediately create that group chat where you can go ahead and send whatever message you would like. But yeah, that is it. Your Snapchat group chat is now going to be ready to go. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. If you ever do want to add more people later, you can simply hit add members, by the way, or you could select up the very top and then select add to group and you'll be good to go. But yeah, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on before you do leave this guide. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does let us know that you want more content like this. So it really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.